So we'll need to open a new PowerPoint presentation. So I'm gonna show you how to create samples of animations, video animations. We're gonna come to insert. We're gonna insert a shape. Let's start with a circle. It's very easy. In fact, it is very easy for you to do it. So I'll need to bring it almost to the center. Again, I'm gonna change the fill and no outline. I'm gonna duplicate this. Control D. Place it here. Then I'll insert a rectangle to make the height to be the same as the diameter of the circle, as you can see from the arrows appearing inside the rectangle and the circle. Then I'm going to need to change the color and the outline too. Then I'm going to bring them there. I duplicate this, Control D, I place it there too. Then I'm going to click on this, Control plus Control, and then I'm going to click on this, and then I format, send it to back. Then I'll need to click on this and this, Control. Remember, you're gonna need to highlight more than one. You need to press Control, and then I'm gonna press Control G, that is group here, the shortcut for that. Same thing to this other side, and then Control G. Then I'll double click on this, and then I'll move this circle towards the center of the slide. Same to this, I'll move it towards the center of the circle. Yeah, and then same to these rectangles. I'll move them until I see the line appearing here, there, that way. So what I need now is to animate these two group shapes. So I'll click on both of them maybe, and then I'll come to animation and then fly in. They're gonna fly in from different directions. So I'm gonna click on the first one. I want it to fly from the left, the other one from the right, but as you can see, this one is with previous, but this other one is on click, so they're gonna they'll appear at the same time if you preview. So that's what I want. And then I'm gonna insert a text box, and then we're gonna write anything. Maybe let's write uh, connected dots. That's our channel. Control A, and then Control plus the right hand bracket. I'm gonna leave it at 44 there. So what I'll need to do is to change the color, the font color, and the font style. So I'm gonna choose any here, maybe that, and then I bring it toward the center. Or maybe you can align it here, arrange. You come to align to center, and then you come to align, and then you align to the middle. So it's gonna appear at the middle of the side and at the center of the slide too. So I'll need to move these to the back, or maybe I'll give it an animation before I click there. I need to appear, but when you come to animation plane, it's going to appear immediately after these two. So I'm gonna need to click on this, and then here, instead of click, after previous. So if you preview, that's what gonna happen. So it's appearing after these two, but I want it to be at the back. So I'm gonna need to go to format here, and then send to back. It's going to appear at the back. So what I need now is to add animation on these two grouped shapes. So I'm gonna click on the first one, and then I come to maybe let me click on both of them, and then I come to animation. But this time around, we are not going to come here. We're going to come to add animation. We need to add a line. So it's moving down, but I want them to move towards the side. So I'm gonna click on the first one. As you can see, it's clicking on this. So I'm gonna need to move to the left. That's the thing. Then the next one, I'm gonna need to move it to the right. That's the right thing. So what I need now is to reduce the timing here to 1 second. Then I'm gonna right click, effect options. Then I'm gonna need to remove this smooth start and smooth end. As in, you will see they had a delay when they started. So that's all I think. So you only need to change is the background of the slide, so as to hide these two black shapes, not to be visible. So I'm gonna come to design, and then format background, and then I'm gonna click on black. So if you come to animation and preview, you'll see it's coming on a. That's how you simply create an animation. You'll think it's just circles moving, but they have some black stuff which it's not visible here. So that's how you're gonna create that. And I said at the end of this, I'm gonna show you an animation that I created using PowerPoint. So it's called there. So you're gonna come at full screen and I play it, give it a while. Yeah, there you go.